Hi everyone. Hope everyone's well. Well, it's the Canadian Thanksgiving weekend. Whoa, man! I was like, what the heck? Anyhow, for those who are Canadian, happy Thanksgiving. So remember, please subscribe and like this video, and please share it. All right. Well, the kids were up in the bog, and a whole bunch of junk just went into the pond. I can't win. I think I'm only gonna win until I clean this up. Like, just clean up the bog. Here, let's give them a feed there. So yesterday I got a text from my wife. There they are. Saying the pump's not working. I'm like, of course. Oh man, look at him. Oh, he's beauty. Oh, I'm so happy with that one. So anyways, I had her family over, my family over, and when we had the pig roast, I had to turn this guy off in order to have this pump here working. Anyway, so I learned how to I know exactly what I needed to do. Managed to clearly get it going because, well, you see the waterfall here. They're going. It's actually running pretty good. I put the pump on full blast, though. That could be why this is like really murky. But anyways, yeah, so got it going again. So, what's new? Well, let's go take a look over here. So I am getting 10 more fish. It might be too many, but you know, we'll see how it goes there. I still haven't cleaned this area up. But I will be, I'm going to have to take this elephant ear out here. Look how huge it is. Like, this is my hand. It's just enormous. Enormous. I'm going to be bringing that into the house. I'm going to be bringing, like, these guys into the house and the other elephant ear there. I'm probably going to have, like, nothing in this bog. Like, I do have, they're like marigolds right over here. I might keep those in. But, oh, look at all these. The mums are full-fledged. Yeah. Pump's going again. I'm super happy. It's working. Yeah, it is murky. Well, let's take a look at this thing. Leaves are really coming now. But fall is upon us. It's been so nice lately. Yeah. Look at these. That's one of the new guys, I think. Got a whole bunch of white guys. So, yeah. Here, let's throw this in here. I don't think the pond's happy with me turning that thing full blast. It's working really well. At least the pump is, it sounds. Sounds better than what it was. So, and tropical water lily, it was like opening up there too. We had some of these guys here. Those ones were opening up. Just with the like little heat wave we had there. I'm gonna have to bring these in there. This is a kaffir lime. And this is a pomegranate. I've had these for a few years now. Well, I've had the Kaffir line for a long time. Its bud date is exactly the same date that my son was born. So, yeah. That was all just so awesome. But yeah, I just wanted to pop on. I haven't posted anything or videos like this. I've posted some reels there that have really taken off, actually. I posted one. People really love spider videos, spider shorts. So I had one that actually got over 10,000 views. So for me, that's really good. I think prior to that, my highest was 5,600. So it's like almost double. So, and then I had another one just take off again, and there's like 6,300 views. So, yeah. People like horses and spiders and snakes. They like the pond too, but yeah. All right. So remember, please subscribe, like this video, and I will see you later.